2.5 Constructed response questions.
Wednesday.
2.5 Constructed response questions. 1. Explain the difference between burning and respiration. Answer. Burning. Burning is a single-step process. Burning is a chemical reaction occurs in substance. In burning we get large amount of energy. Enzymes are not involved. Respiration. Respiration is the series of chemical reaction. Respiration is a chemical reaction occurs in mitochondria. In respiration we get slow and less amount of energy. Enzymes are involved. Two, blood circulatory system plays a key role in cellular respiration. Explain how. Answer. The blood circulatory system plays a key role in cellular respiration by transporting oxygen from the lungs to the cells and carrying away carbon dioxide from the cells to the lungs for elimination. The oxygen is transported by the red blood cells that contain the protein hemoglobin. The oxygenated blood then travels through the arteries to the capillaries where it diffuses into the cells, providing oxygen for cellular respiration. Three, anaerobic respiration occurs when the body cannot get enough oxygen for aerobic respiration to take place. Explain with example of the situation when and where anaerobic respiration takes place in human body. Answer. Anaerobic respiration. The breakdown of food substances in the absence of oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. This process releases energy less than aerobic respiration. Our muscles normally respire aerobically. When we run fast, enough oxygen is not available for the muscle cells to respire aerobically. Our muscles respire anaerobically. Lactic acid is the product in this reaction. Glucose. Lactic acid plus energy. Lactic acid thus produced is transported to liver which converts it back into glucose.